Hello there, how are you? Hope you're fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today I felt like goat's meat and rice, and I did this very simple recipe, and the results, oh my, it's so delicious. Just keep around and follow the simple steps. It is very, very delicious, trust me. So I've just added some red onions, spring onions, garlic, white pepper pods, and cardamom to the pan that has the goat's meat. And I've added some salt and water, and I'm going to boil them until the meat is cooked. Boil the meat until it's cooked. Mine took 45 minutes. And then I'm going to just place it in another pan. And then in the same pan, I'm going to fry the goat's meat. Just use some vegetable cooking oil and then fry the meat until it's brown. Please don't pour the water that you boiled the meat in. It's what we are going to use to cook our rice. It's very well flavored and it's going to make the rice have a very nice taste. So just keep on frying, and then the meat has browned, and I'm going to just add in the red onions, fry them with the meat until they're golden brown. Don't let them burn, just fry until golden brown. And in case you're looking for goat's meat recipes, I've left a few links down for you in the description box. The onions are already golden brown, so just add the tomatoes to the pan. I used 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Cook them with the meat until they are tender. So I'm going to add in some cumin seeds to the pan. I used about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add some cumin powder, ginger powder, turmeric, and then add some salt to the pan, and then rice. For the rice, I used 1 cup. That's about 500 grams of rice. And for rice, if it's 1 cup of rice, then the water will be 2 cups of water. If it's 2 cups of rice, then the water will be 2 cups. But this time around, I'm using the sauce that came out from boiling the goat's meat. It's very well flavored, and it's going to give our rice very nice flavor. So into the boiling, this is where we've reached. I'm going to mix my rice a little bit. Don't worry about giving your rice a mix. It's very okay. So I'm going to reduce the heat to very low and then just let it to cook through and for the water to dry out. Afterwards, add some fresh coriander leaves to the rice and then just mix everything together. I want everything to mix: the rice, the meat, the coriander leaves, and then this is it. The aroma in this house is so amazing. This is how the rice looks like. Thank you guys for watching and hope you try out this recipe.